Here in the Philippines and we are Bisaya, we have a variety of tunes when it comes to rice. We have some examples. If the rice is unpeeled, we call it homemade. Homemade. If the rice is uncooked, we call it bogas. Bogas. If the rice is already cooked, we call it can-own. Can-own. If the rice is overcooked, we call it dough-coat. Dough-coat. If the rice is overdue, we call it bayhow. Bayhow. The rice fell off the table, then we call it mum-hoo. Mum-hoo. If the rice is red or purple, we call it tapol. Tapol. Rice is mixed with banana and sweet potato and coconut milk. We call it tabiwak alganate and tabiwak alganahan. If the rice was mixed with brown sugar and cacao, we call it champurrado. Champurrado. If there is no rice, then we call it pasmo. Pasmo. Unya pasukul kapa. Unya pasukul kapa. Bye.